I'm John Kollenbroich, National Sales Manager for URMA USA. We are the newest division of outside support for URMA. I handle the technical support and sales support for our customers in the United States and Canada. We started about 1 year ago with URMA USA. It was a need that we found for additional, more reactive support in the US. URMA in Switzerland has always supported the United States very well, but there's a time delay that causes problems. Having somebody there that can be reached many more hours during the day has made the growth better and the support better for the customers in the United States. Working with URMA has been very easy because everybody is very accessible. I can speak directly to the director of R&D. I can speak directly to the director of sales. I can talk to anybody in design, in production. So getting things accomplished is very easy, and I have access to everybody 24 hours a day technically, but they don't pick up their phones all the time. One of the examples that came to mind while I was doing the tour with Alex is the new RX large cutter that he showed, the next development for URMA. And I have a customer in the US that was using that tool, and out of nowhere, the tool started performing very poorly, and we could not figure out what was happening. To find out with a little bit of further digging, the customer had changed the pre-tool before our ream tool, before the RX large tool, and was leaving 0.8 millimeters per side of AP, which was about 4 times what we recommend to use. The tool did not get damaged, just was not making the correct part. As soon as they changed the pre-tool, we were right back to making a perfect component. You would expect with the amount of stock removal that the tool would have been destroyed, and nothing. It speaks volumes for the quality and the strength of the design that we've come out with for the new RX Large. One of the things I really appreciate about working with URMA is how you feel like you're almost family with the company. To give you a prime example, I was ill last week and very concerned I wasn't going to make it to Switzerland for the gala event. And when I spoke with Johnny 2 days later, the first question he asked me is, "How are you feeling, buddy?" First question. You don't get that from a lot of other companies, but to get that feeling of family is very important. Regardless of the quality side, which is already Swiss quality and excellent, knowing that as a person I'm rated very highly is important.